Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Weekend Diecast. This is my very first video and I was planning to review the 1/64 scale diecast cars in this channel, and I was gonna mainly focus on those kind of popular premium brands like Mini GT, Pop Race, KAIDO House, somewhere within the $10 to $20 price range. And yeah, I just cannot wait to show you guys what I've got. Also, well, I had one channel before I was mainly talking about like my personal life, but it didn't go quite well. I think it was probably because I complained too much in my channel. So I was thinking, you know what? Instead of me just spreading those negativities around, how about just let me show you my pure joy, of me collecting those adult collectibles, if I may say. Yeah, let's see how far will this go. I have 3 beautiful cars to show you guys today, and let's just start with this Honda NSX. This is from Mini GT and it is number 848 for your reference. And let's grab this car. You can probably already tell that this is sponsored by Red Bull, and I do believe that any car looks good with this Red Bull printings on it. We can start from the front. You can tell there are so many sponsorships on it already. From the window, the windshield banner with the Honda and Bosch sponsorships, and if you go lower you can see the car number 16, the Moto sponsorships, and the 2 beautiful balls, Red Bull. And there are a lot of fine prints on the 2 sides of the car. And look at the details of this car mode. I believe this corner right here is called canards. It's just to direct the airflow up so it creates more downforce for the car. And there's a big splitter at the bottom of the car. Very beautiful. And this car is, as usual for Mini GT's, metal body, metal base, very heavy duty, and has this rubber mirror. And if you look on the sides, again, shit tons of sponsorships around here. And you can see the tire prints. I like these tire prints. It just give a car a lot of characteristics. And this is for Dunlop. Moving around again, I like the tail lights of the car. These are all separate compartments, and you can, a lot of the Mini GT cars, you can actually see those tail light bulbs behind the lenses. There's like a big rear wing right here. Yeah, all in all, it's just a very beautiful car. And on top, sponsorships, Bosch, and the Red Bull slogan, Red Bull gives you wings. And I believe this should be their team logo or something. Mini GT usually rolls pretty well. I would say, in my experience, 80% of the chance it rolls pretty well. But in some cases, I think because the tire didn't line up with the wheel quite well, you have to manually adjust it to make it roll better. And for this car, at the bottom, it actually says the year of the car made and the model of the car. so always appreciate that. And you know what? We're gonna do something different here. And I always curious about like what's inside of the car, so we're kind of going to open this up to see it out. Alright. Mini GT actually is quite easy to open up, as opposed to the Hot Wheels. I can never get a Hot Wheel cars opened up. It has a very weird finish at the bottom, but for Mini GT, it's just 2 screws, 2 small ones. Oh, let's see. This one, the bottom is a little tight. I think I got it. Yep, I definitely got it. Okay, well, it is definitely a metal base. Very heavy duty. And right away, you can see how these wheels are placed. Okay. They have the grease on still, so yeah, it's gonna get a little messy here. Alright, let's take this out. I really want to see what's inside, so well, let's see. Alright. You should be able to see the grease right here, right? It's just to make the wheel rolls better. Okay. Come on, let me open this up. Oh, I don't want to break anything. Okay, finally. Okay, the metal body and metal base right here as promised, and this is all plastic. Okay, actually this is quite fun. Okay, looks like there's a one-seater. Yeah, only one person can seat in here. And okay, steering wheels. Looks like a race car steering wheels right here. And just a lot of computer stuff. Yeah, that's what they look like inside. And these are the wheels. Okay, let's put this aside. We'll mess up with this thing later. Alright. The next one. Let's do GTR. And this is from Mini GT as well. And it's number 868. Usually I don't buy this kind of monocolor plain color car, but only with one exception. If this car is well designed, if it's a beautiful car, that this does not need any like makeups, if you know what I'm talking about. Usually I would like to buy cars that has a lot of sponsorships, like this GT3 cars, and it just looks very sophisticated, right? But this GTR R35, I think, is probably one of my like favorite GTR cars. Some people are not a favorite of the R35 because how boxy it looks. They might be more in favor of the R like 34, 33. It's more rounded finish, but well, sorry that I'm kind of boring. I like those modern cars better. So R35 definitely is my favorite. And this is Nismo style. Stealth gray. I believe the stealth gray is kind of Nismo special. Nismo only. You can't get this colorway on other regular Nissan cars. And what comes into my mind first when I see this car? It's just tons of carbon fiber finish. Look at all this finish from the front hood to the roof and to the rear wings, even on the side. What do you call it? Skirt. And it just all the way around. Look at how much carbon fiber they use on this car. And Mini GT has been doing a very good job imitating those carbon fiber finish. And also the stealth gray looks pretty sick as well. And you can see the very classic Nismo red trim all around the car as well. This is just a very beautiful car, I think. Not a lot to talk about appearance wise because how plain it is, but still gives you a lot of details as well. This one actually you can see those little bobs inside of the lens. Just those very little details that make the car such a beautiful collection. And yeah, aluminum wheels. And in the back, there's no license, only this Nissan license plate. And the exhaust is blue trimmed. The classic GTR rounded tail lights. Look at the paint finish. I think this is kind of metallic finish. It's just beautiful. Do we open this up? Why not? Why not? Okay. It's a little tricky when I opening this up because you can never tell if its screw is finished or not, so you can have to guess a little bit. Oh, looks like it's coming apart. Oh, I made a mess. Alright, metal base is out. Wheels are out. And what I want to see is the inside, guys. Okay, this one actually comes out very smoothly. A 2-seater, actually 4-seater. Oh. The rear passenger is gonna have a tough time riding along with them. Look at how crowded they're going to be. It's just not enough room for them, guys. And this one, actually nothing special. It doesn't look like a race car from the inside. Yeah, I guess this is just for your reference if you are ever curious about what's inside of this Mini GT cars. I guess if you ever want to replace these wheels, it's kind of quite easy. Just got those 1/64 scale wheels, and then depends on how wide the body is, you can most likely trim the little axles off to make it fit the car. Alright, let's move GTR aside. Here comes our last one, last but not least. This is from KAIDO House. KAIDO House Honda Civic. And this is number 139 from KAIDO House. With a yellow colorway. I know the Civic has a lot of colorways. The KAIDO House is famous of making those different colorways and with the same molding. Yeah, this one actually feels very heavy duty in hands. And the bottom of the base is different color than those Mini GT ones. Mini GT are always, I think they're always black. This KAIDO House have this purple tone base. I believe I have like exact color of a spoon I bought from Walmart. I don't know how to describe this like purple tone metal color. And this is okay. Let's start from the front. And KAIDO House is famous for its moving parts. So, well, most likely their hood can be opened. You can see the engine, the red engine, and some blue pipes under the hood. I like those wheels. They are like deep dish wheels. And they rose very smoothly. And you can see, wow, KAIDO House print is like everywhere. On the side panels, you know, on the hood, and where else? I swear I saw it somewhere else. Alright, license plates, KAIDO House. It's number 0 paint here. And the windshield banner, you can see Honda logo here. And wow, in my car, this grid is not lining well. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, it might be some quality control problem here. Oh, I don't like that. If you look at inside, there's actually color for the Mini GT. It looks like they have blue cedars and the red cage with the red steering wheels. So, as always, let's open this up. There's only one screws for this model. So let's see if I can actually open this up. Oop, there it is. Okay. Okay, let's not lose this screw here. Alright, I guess you can stay. Okay, this metal base, I think I can already feel the difference. This is way heavier. Two sets of wheels. I need to remember which wheels front, which wheels back. Oh, I guess I can tell just from the picture of the box. Okay, how can I continue to disassemble this? It looks like there's an extra screw here. Maybe that's how you disassemble this. What what is this screw for? Oh, okay. Okay, I guess this screw right here is to control this moving part, to like tighten this hood. If your hood is loosening up, you can just open it up and then tighten this screw, I guess. Alright, that looks good. You can see how those windows are placed or glued on this metal base. Okay. Alright, let's see inside of the car. Alright, blue seats and red cage. Okay, I guess you don't take everything out. Some of this are still screwed on the metal body. Alright. I made a big mess here. Alright. Well, this is all the contents for today. And if you like the similar contents, you know what they say. Please subscribe, leave a comment, something like that. And I will see you next week.